Hello, friends. Greetings to all. I am Milind and glad to have this opportunity to present English version of Chandrakant Page's Swagat, meaning monologue. Mr. Chandrakant Page is Chief Counselor of Mission Online Counseling. I welcome you to Monologue series, wherein Page sir has presented his brainstorming on different subjects. Today's topic is complaint, accusation is equal to dishonor of nature. In our family life, the complaints we do and accusations done on each other are two things which never allows to have cordial relations. On the contrary, avoidance is started. Once avoidance is started, even if on the face of it, in day to day life, however the person may seem cordial, talkative, smiling, still within he is introvert. In many households, this can be noticed and it can occur anytime in any family, especially in life's second innings. In earlier times, there was practice to go to Vanaprasthashram, Sannyas ashram, meaning to go into solitude either in jungle or old age home. This was to ensure the bondings with particular family members is developed only for specific time frame. In after years, before the attachment or bonding becomes hindrance or interference, respectfully detachment can be established. If we minutely observe by taking a glimpse into our own lives, if we once again see the flashback of our life journey, we will realize that we have not been able to maintain the equilibrium of attachment and detachment. That is why we start becoming possessive. And then we start to think, only I should receive all of this. And eventually, we also get into the mindset if I am not getting this, then no one else should get it. This is what I call egoism. Egoist person always explain, so and so person is responsible for this psychological condition of mine. Actually, from this, they are emphasizing, I am perfect. This is not because someone has told them or influenced them, but this happens automatically. That is why, without blaming others, these persons should develop an attitude my life is for myself as well, and I need to happily enjoy it. Foster hobbies. If you are fit, then go on a tour. Nature has given us an individual personality. When will we provide attention to it? And if we are not paying attention, then since we are going against nature, some or the other malady will definitely trouble you. That's why complaint, accusation should stop. Because it is like cursing self. And cursing oneself is dishonor of nature. Friends, I sincerely thank you for being an audience to this thought provoking monologue series. I wish you a cheerful day.